In the video today, I'll be sharing about a really cool product called the Deeper Connect Air that is going to give you more security when shopping online. It's going to give you more privacy as well, allow you to block ads on various websites, and give you additional controls over the websites that can be accessed on your computers. Welcome into the video. I'm your tech guy, Wayne. Today I'll be sharing about this cool product, the Deeper Connect Air, that is something that I think a lot of you will benefit from. Now, it is a product that is going to keep you safer when you're on the internet. It is a VPN device, which stands for a virtual private network, which will basically give you additional protections and security when on the internet. I want you to think about when you're out at a coffee shop, or maybe you're out at a restaurant, or even at school on the school network. You're a lot more vulnerable when you're on those public networks. And so this little device plugs right into your computer and gives you a heightened level of security to protect you from folks that might be trying to access your computer. It'll protect you from malware and malicious attacks. Now, one of the benefits of this device is that it'll give you a 7-layer firewall when you're out and about using the internet to protect you from folks around you that could be trying to access your device. And when you're at home, it's going to give you that same level of protection along with some other really cool benefits. One of those benefits being it will allow you to access content in other countries. It also has a built-in ad blocker, and so you're going to see a lot less ads when you're surfing around the internet, which Lord knows there's just ads every freaking where. So it's nice to be able to have some of those ads blocked. So it's going to have that. It also has a really cool parental control feature that will allow you to specifically block certain websites. You can enter your own website for it to block, or you can say, hey, block all social media websites. You can even have it block porn websites as well. So think about if you have younger users in your home that use the internet with this device. If all your computers are connected to it, you can tell it, hey, I don't want folks to be able to access these certain websites. And when they try to go to it, guess what? They're going to get an error message. So it gives you also an additional level of control over your internet. And I think it's a great way to protect young users when they're on the computer. So all in all, I think this is a cool product that you should look into getting, especially if you find yourself using the internet a lot outside of the house and you want to protect yourself on public networks. Also a really great device for those that want to protect their loved ones in their home and block them from certain websites. Lord knows there's so much out there on the internet, and we should protect our younger folks from being able to access some of these websites. It's also a great product for those that want to protect younger users on the internet in your home. This is an easy way to limit the websites that they have access to by using the controls on their website. So I'm going to drop a link below in the description so you can check it out. This cool device actually was funded through the Indiegogo platform. So it was a prototype product that got so much press and popularity on the internet that it blew up, and now it's about to launch to the world. So definitely check out that link and consider getting one of these devices. One of the cool benefits is that it is a one-time purchase, and after that, you can access all of the features of the product for free. So most VPNs are a monthly subscription that you pay. With this, it's a one-time payment for the device, and then you simply connect it and it's yours, and you can benefit from all the features of it. So again, check out that link down below. Thank you to Deeper Connect for sending me one to try it out. Thanks again for watching. Take care, and as always, have a good one.